Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to update Logitech MX Master for firmware with Logi Options Plus. Now let's begin. And luckily for us, this is very easy. Of course, you will have to need the Logi Options Plus software. If you don't know how to install it, you can always watch our install dedicated software tutorial. Anyway, we want to click our device, then we want to head into settings here, and right at the top we have two options, the firmware version and receiver firmware version. Of course, we can see that we have the latest version, but you can always check for updates on both of these. And as you can see, we don't really have any kind of new update. If we would have new update, we would be able to just download it from here, and I think this is just amazing. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.